G'day, this is Bruce and welcome to my shop on this nice Sunday morning. I got to make up a couple of little shafts and this one's for Ray Canila and Randy Richards, just to remind them of a year ago when I was over in Ray's garage, the old garage, and we're making up some threads, and they were astounded by the speed I was working at. Today I'm only running at 440 RPM. On this, it's a M16 by 1.25 mil, so it's just under 5/8, probably around about the 22, 24 TPI in if you were to convert it that way. So yeah, we're going to run this the long thread down, and then afterwards we're going to do the two short threads. But I'll show this the first cut on this long thread for my mates Randy and Ray. We're using a bit of our black smelly smoky cutting oil, so there'll be a bit of fog around. Alright, the first cut, here we go. Might come back and show another one. I use the half nut engaged all the time. That's the way I like to work. Using the brake, reverse back to beginning. Now we'll go in another cut. Next one down about 0.8 of a mil. So curling this stuff up pretty nicely. 4140 by the way. As I've said before, always use either pliers or long nose pliers or whatever, but always with a smooth, no grip on them, so that if anything happens, you can let it go. Your hands are going to slide straight out of that. I'll give it a bit more smoky, smelly black oil, and we'll run it down a little bit deeper, just for fun. With larger threads I would go more. We'll go another one with 125. I'm using the Kennan metal what they call a top notch. I use either with the boring, threading, internal threading or external threading. I find these the best thread cutting tool, apart from a geometrical die, of course, that I've used on the lathe. Makes a bit of a noise, but that's 4140 bar. I'm down to depth now, and just be a bit of a trim cut, a couple of little cuts along there will be good. Thanks for watching.